Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about basics in electrical circuits that will helpful to the students. So I will start from the topic called classification of elements. Classification of elements. So I can go with a chart diagram so that the students can understand very easy. There are so many types of elements we have, but we would like to discuss only two elements and important elements. In general, elements are classified into two types. One is called active element and second one is called passive element. Active element and passive element. And this active element again classified into two types. One is independent element. Second one is dependent element. Independent and dependent element. Okay. And after that, this independent element again classified as ideal one. Second one is practical one. Ideal one and practical one. The best example for ideal active element is called voltage source. Voltage source, and second one is current source. So these are the best example for ideal active element, voltage source and current source. And I have I have same voltage source and current source is the examples for practical elements. Coming to the dependent elements, so dependent elements are classified into four types. Okay, so first one I can write, that is voltage control voltage source. Second one, current control voltage source. Current control current source. Voltage control current source. These are the four types of dependent active elements. Now I will define one by one what is active elements definition and what is the passive elements. Later this we'll discuss that. Okay, I will give the definition. Next, coming to the passive elements. Passive elements are three types. One is resistor, another one is the inductor, another one is the capacitor, RLC. So these are called passive elements. So resistor can have linear resistor and non-linear resistor. Inductor also linear inductor, and you have non-linear inductor, and also capacitor have linear characteristics, also having non-linear characteristics. Okay, so now this is the classification of elements. One is active element and passive elements and how they are going to subdivide it. So next I can go with the definition of active elements. Definition. Active elements definition: when the when the element is is capable of delivering delivering energy for a long time, for a long time. for long period, that element is called active element. Or when the element is having property of internal amplification, then the element is also called active element. So example for this is voltage source, and you can take current source. Okay, and transistor also having some internal amplification, so I can take the example for active element transistor and operational amps, op amps. Okay, so these are the example for active elements. Out of this, as per the chart I have given, these two are independent active elements, independent active elements. Okay, voltage source and current source, and transistor and op amps are dependent active element. So next, the definition for passive element. These are very important for you. That's why I'm giving the definition. Passive elements: when the element is not capable of delivering energy for a long time. When 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 the element is not capable of delivering energy, called passive element. Okay, examples you can take. Example you can take in our home appliances. We have a bulb. Bulb is not a source which cannot deliver the energy. It can dissipate energy in the form of heat. So I can take that is a bulb. It is a resistive element. And transformer also not capable to deliver the energy. So there are two types of transformer. One is the step up and step down. It's not required. So step down case, you can take this is a passive element. Okay, so we'll stop here. In next video we'll come with passive elements, resistor, inductor and capacitor. Okay.